Hi, welcome to Pictures, Noise and Words. I'm Hedgie, and this is the amount of tissues I got through when I had flu last week. True story. Anyway, this is Omega Zero, who sent me an email just when I really was at the height of my coughing and sneezing, so they didn't get a response from me. Sorry about that. But the email didn't tell me a lot, to be honest. It basically says, "Hi, we're Omega Zero, an upcoming band from Rome, Italy. We've got a song out. Here you go." That's more or less it. That's more or less all it says. Even in my delirium, I managed to bookmark it. Oh, I'm so dedicated. Yeah, that's not the word. So I might every now and again I might go or something and I'm not going to edit it out because I'm not 100%, but I'm far better than I was. Anyway, Omega Zero from Italy, song called "Cursed by Light," and their single cover looks like that. I can't find an album for it. I've got a feeling there isn't one yet. So there's just this song at the moment. You can listen to it on Spotify and they can get 0.001 of a penny for every listen. It's a pretty long one. I haven't listened to it since I bookmarked it, and I bookmarked it in the middle of my delirium. So I can't remember anything about it, but I think we're in sort of technical prog land, but I can't remember. So if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. I've been wrong before.
My helium core collapsing on itself, never-ending fusion. Burning oxygen. Your nebulous eyes. Forget my sense and let my joint see.
That was a very quick 6 minutes and 50 seconds, wasn't it? That song is objectively brilliant. That song is objectively such a well-crafted thing that even if you don't like prog or things that are a bit too technical or weird time signatures or maybe a shouty voice or maybe his high clean voice or any of the elements, if you don't like any of that, I think you still have to say to yourself, but damn, that's well done. Damn, that's well put together. Luckily for me, I like all of those things. I like the drummers, considering what he's playing is technical and tight. I like his loose style of playing. This is not important. It's not important to the song. It's just something that struck me when I was watching the video. I like his loose kind of, his loose style of playing, and maybe that's just me seeing that, and maybe he's not actually like that. I don't know. So he's either going, yeah, that is how I play, or he's going, I don't play like that. Totally confused. But when I'm watching it, he just has this relaxed. I guess that's more what I'm saying. He's got quite a relaxed style to it, and it sounds great. He also probably gets through quite a lot of cymbals because he really, really likes them. That's not important right now. Singer's got a fantastic voice. It goes all over the place. Forget his harsh vocal. Well, don't forget it, but I mean, that aside, his clean is just, he hits some great notes that make you kind of go, ooh. And that's basically what we want, isn't it? Things that make us go, ooh. And at 6 minutes 50 seconds, it went kind of like that for me because it was interesting. It's well written. It goes all over the place. It's got themes. It's got melodies. It's got all of the things that some modern metal is missing, let's put it that way. Some modern metal relies very much on just slapping you in the face all of the time, which has its place. Sometimes you just want a good blast. But then other times you hear something like this and you think, yeah, music, there's so much to music that's available and can be incorporated into songs. So that was a lot of words, wasn't it? So Omega Zero, like I say, I couldn't find an album for this song. So this is the single cover. I don't know why I'm doing that because it genuinely is the single cover. For the song Cursed by Light. I hope there's an album on the way. Omega Zero, if you're seeing this, just put a comment in, say, is there an album? Are you working on an album? And if you release anything else, let me know. But yeah, great. That was great. And you've got that nice, very, very calm intro where you think, oh, not sure where we're going with this, and then boom, off we go, and it all gets, and there were some really cool, very technical parts in this song, but kind of calm, let's go. Very, very good song. I really, really liked it. And objectively good is what I'm saying, because there are songs I like, and I know they're not very good songs. I just like them. But this is, I think, top quality stuff. Let me know what you think as ever, and I shall see you soon. Bye bye.